या से।
गृहादे प्राग्विलम्बेन त्वरया वावरोहति तत्र नियम एव स्यात् नियामक विवर्जनात् दुःखं व्रीहादि निर्याणम् इति तत्र विशेषितः विलम्बस्तेन पूर्वत्र त्वरार्थादवसीयते
व्रीह्यादेः प्राक् अविलम्बेन त्वरया वा अवरोहति। अविलम्बेन त्वरया वा अवरोहति। नियामक विवर्जना, लास्ट फ्रेज। देयर एव स्यात् नियामक विवर्जना। नियामक विवर्जनात् तत्र अनियमः एव स्यात्। नियामक विवर्जनात् तत्र अनियमः एव स्यात्। व्रीह्यादि निर्याणम् दुःखम् इति तत्र विलम्बः विशेषितः। विलम्बः विशेषितः तेन पूर्वत्र अर्थात त्वरा अवसीयते। तेन पूर्वत्र अर्थात त्वरा अवसीयते। व्रीह्यादेः प्राक्, these Anushayi who jivas, and which jivas descending from heaven after having Swarga Bhoga, these Anushayina, before gaining the bhava, becoming something similar to vegetation, virihadi means wheat, barley, etc., before becoming vegetation, you say, avalambena avarohati va tvaraya avarohati. Do they get down with delay or fast? Vilambena means with delay. So that means slowly or with much delay do they get down, or tvaraya, fast they get down. So that is what is Shanka. And this is from the Akashadi to Vri up to that point. Pura Paksha says Niyamaka Vivarjana, in the absence of a decisive factor. We have no clues whether they are able to, they come fast or slow in the absence of Niyamaka, a decisive factor, in the Nirnayaka factor. So in the absence of a decisive factor, you say the Niyamaka Varjana Tatra means with respect to descending of Jiva from Akashadi up to Vriyadi, say Aniyamaha evasya. There is no rule, no Niyamaha, Aniyama, no rule at all. There is no rule to this effect. Whether they come fast or maybe it depends on the Jiva. Some Jiva may be started looking here and there, and they may be having a mobile with a camera. They will be clicking this. कुछ नहीं चलता है इधर, because the fellow is in a, not in a, he is in a soon, he is not in a, what was that, customs, कुछ नहीं ले सकता है. कुछ नहीं ले सकता है, बॉडी नहीं है, ड्रेस भी बाद में बॉडी नहीं है, बॉडी भी नहीं ले सकता है. ओनली सूक्ष्म शरीर लोकल इज दैट. तो क्या कौन सा मोबाइल लेके जाएगा, कौन सा डिजिटल कैमरा लेके जाएगा. सो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. So that is no niyama, there is no rule to that effect. Siddhanta says, no sir, there is a rule. We can deduce it. Vrihadi niryanam says, not nirvanam, okay? Niryanam, departure, getting out of, vrihadi, emergence. That is what? So emerging from vrihadi bhava, it says, niryanam, dukkham. Dukkham means not sorrowful here, difficult. Dukkham also means difficult. Painful means difficult. Sorrowful means difficult. Says vrihadi niryanam. So that is the Anushayi, Jiva, emerging out of vrihadi is difficult. So why so? It says iti tatra vilambaha visheshitaha. Shruti specifically says that there is a delay in getting out of vrihadi bhava. Means Shruti is very clear about that. That's okay. Whereas Akasha to Vri, nothing mentioned, so we have to conclude it is fast. Otherwise Shruti would have told. So here specific mention is that Jiva getting out of Vrihadi Bhava is much delayed, whereas there nothing is said, means we can conclude there is no delay. Tena. Tena means therefore. Therefore means a specific mention of delay is with respect to emerging from Vrihadi, and therefore it says Tena. Purvatra. Purvatra means in the case of descending from Akasha to Vrihadi, it says Arthat, as a matter of fact, of course, as a matter of fact, Tvara avasiyate. Avasiyate nishchiyate. Tvara means quickness. That is, descending from Akasha to Vrihadi is fast. It can be ascertained by no specific mention of delay is there. Nati chirena vishesha. And jiva na atichirena and prithivim pravishati. Prithivim pravishati. Kutaha and vishesha. Jiva, with jiva is karmanushayi. 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 Jiva says na atichirena. Atichirena means what? After a great delay. So they say na atichirena. So that is what? Not much delay. So means quickly. That's all. Na atichirena is delay. Prithivim pravishati. Enters earth to become Vrihadi. Enters earth to become Vrihadi. How? Kutaha? How do you say? Vishesha. Because of specific mention of delay in the case of who emerging from Vrihadi. So that is how it is.